Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Play Online on Forza Horizon 5 full guide. First, sign into your Xbox or Microsoft account and confirm your subscription includes online multiplayer access. Next, open privacy and online safety settings and allow multiplayer and voice communications. Finally, check your network NAT and enable UPnP or port forwarding on your router so other players can join your sessions smoothly. Make sure your account and subscription are set up correctly before troubleshooting connection issues. Confirm you have Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Ultimate active on the account you use to play Forza Horizon 5. Verify your account age and family settings, allow multiplayer access, and resolve any temporary bans or suspensions through the Microsoft support portal. These steps prevent simple account problems from blocking your online play experience. Network settings often cause online play to fail, so start with a connection test on your console. If NAT is moderate or strict, enable UPnP on your router or forward ports like 3074 and 88 to improve connectivity. Use a wired Ethernet connection for lower latency, restart your router and console, and consider placing your console in a DMZ only if other options fail. These changes usually restore seamless multiplayer access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.